Welcome to my channel. How are you today? Hope you always have a nice day and always be lucky. This time I will discuss how to deal with a portable board battery dropping. I would like to thank those who have subscribed to my channel. I also really hope and ask that you please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button. From which country are you from? I really enjoy getting to know people all over the world. What do you think about my video? Please leave a comment below. And if you like my videos, please press the bell button and share with your friends. First of all, I apologize because I don't have a multimeter to measure voltage. I did this with minimal tools, and the most important thing is the results. This time I used used goods in the form of a motorbike cylinder head kit. Keep watching the video so you don't miss it, step by step until it's finished. Do you have other ideas or other ways? I apologize, my brother, if the video I produce is not good because I used a basic cell phone video. I will try when my channel grows. I will use a professional camera. Be careful, my brother. If you put it together incorrectly, there will be sparks. Positive parts are combined with positive parts and negative parts are combined with negative parts. After 30 minutes, disconnect the battery. Be careful. Place your hand in the middle of the two pieces of iron to avoid sparks. It's finished. Let's try whether this method works. We try using the battery charger. You can see for yourself that it works well, right? The method I did can be done if the battery is not too badly damaged. That's all my video, and see you in the next video. And I really hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you always have a lucky and happy day.